This is our 1986 560 SL R107 chassis. These are setups right now for the shots before it goes in for a full restoration. Right now, this is the key we have. We got this car at a great deal, and it came to us like this, stripped. We have to, give it a full interior and everything going back to stock. Original paint. Those are not the stock wheels. Those probably belong to an E-Class, 1990s E-Class, and somebody switched out the seats, which belong to SLK. May not look like much right now, but she has 159,000 miles. We're gonna probably change out the interior color. We'll do another video when she has gone through her full restoration